Hey everyone, I'm LaDonna. I'm your Pampered Chef Consultant, and I am here just to tell you a little bit about my passion and love for Pampered Chef. I have loved this stuff ever since I had my very own first kitchen. I started off with the food chopper, which everybody knows and loves. Everybody needs one of these in your kitchen. You can use it to chop up onions. It does a great job dicing those up into small pieces, whatever amount of size you want. You just keep chopping until they're small enough for you. I don't have the knife skills to chop onions the way that they do in restaurants, so if you also have that challenge, you can use the food chopper, which is really slick. I joined Pampered Chef back in 2022, and I joined because of this lovely cooking blender, which I adore. My husband uses it to make béarnaise sauce, which turns out so good to go with steaks. We've also used it to make hollandaise, and we've also used it to make caramel for apples, and I've of course used it for smoothies. You can use it for making baby food if you need to make, all natural kind of stuff. You can also make alternate milks with that. So lots of great stuff. People make soup. It does all kinds of cooking options. And there are so many favorites. I can't even go through them all. Everybody loves the spatulas because they last forever. They don't get discolored, and they really last a long time. And they've got these new ones that have like a little bit of a scoop to them, so those are really nice. Of course, these are some of my favorite things. The mini spatula, mini serving spatula. I use that for making my cookies, which I'm gonna be starting up here in a few minutes, making some sugar cookies for the holidays and for our tree lighting ceremony on Wednesday. So anyway, welcome to my page. Let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me anytime. Online is the best way, and I hope you're having a great day. Place your orders and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.